Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download and install the VirusTotal app using Unlinked. Now, if you do not have the Unlinked application, head over to the link in the description where you'll find a video tutorial teaching you how to download the app. When you have it download, navigate to it using your TV remote and go to Unlinked. Click on it to get in. When you're in the app, you have to add a library, so click on New Library and you have to put in the library code to add this library. Type in the library code of choice. For this tutorial, we'll be using Fire Stick Library. So type in FIRESTICK. Ensure your spelling is correct, no spaces, all caps, and click enter. Hit on the enter button on the welcome page as well, and you have to navigate down to the app of choice. Go straight down to the bottom and find this VirusTotal app. Click enter to download and you click on this download button for the launching. When you've launched the app, be patient for it to begin downloading. Ensure you have good network and your connection is stable. This takes a couple of seconds, and when it is done, you'll find an install app button. Just be patient for the download to complete. As it completes, you see this pop up. It should come up any second now, where you can hit install app and have this app straight into your app library. So here's the button. Click on install app and click on the install button now. Right now, this app is being installed directly to your app library on your Android TV, TV box, or any device you have that's running an Android operating system. If you found value in this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.